Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new MECC live solve. This time the March weekend battle. We will, as always, first do the junior varsity and then the varsity case. So let's see what the case this time will be. Junior varsity, yeah, time limit is for junior varsity cases normally not the issue. But let's see. Understand your FICO credit score. Okay, that's a new case. Oh, by David. Interesting. Okay, utilization is this divided by this times 100. Sounds good. And the total balance is a basic sum. And even if there is nothing in there, you should copy it aside so you can take so that you can take everything in. Calculate the highest utilization rate. I will use rep calls or rep rows. I never know what is what. Rep rows here, and then I will use a let statement, let w, and then w take w first column divided by drop w second column times 100, and then the maximum of this. You can wrap here a max around, and we have our formula done. I hope there's no, but there should not be rounding, right? Yeah, I think so. Oh, is there here general rounding? No. Okay. Count the number of credit cards that have a utilization rate greater than 40%. Yes, I know. And then we use this here, and instead of, I name this F, and we rows filter F if F is larger than 40. In this case, 3. This should work. Yeah, okay, those hints are basically not helping, especially between 2 and 6 when there are 5 credit cards. Interesting. Anyways, oh my god. Okay, this seems to be basically a multiplication. No. Okay, I have to read, which is not good. I hate to read. 88 times 35, this times this times this, plus this times this, plus this times this. Times 5.5. Why pi? And add. Reading. Equals this times this fixed sum times 5.5 plus 300 and round to the nearest integer, and we get to our solution. Yes, seems to be right. Okay, 3 previous inquiry, 1 new inquiry. Increase number to 4 inquiries between. Okay. So this is basically this minus this, and then shifted, and this is 0. Yeah. Okay. Equals XLOOKUP. No. XLOOKUP. And here, returning this here. 2. And then it's basically current FICO minus what is given. Yeah, those hints are not helping here, but yeah, should be fine. Alexis, calculate the maximum car price monthly budget divided by monthly payment per $1,000 times 1,000, so divided by monthly payment. Okay, FICO score 720. So FICO score, FICO score. How is it? Is it until this or? I have no idea if it's like. Okay, they made it easy, but those FICO scores are all in this table. Okay. Anyways, yeah, no hashtag NA there. Interest rate is given. Monthly payment is also given. Monthly payment is also given. 450 divided 450 divided by payment. So the interest rate is not important at all, and this 10 times 1,000 and rounded. Okay. Seems to be right. Okay. Bonus questions. If one bar had all. How many individual credit cards with utilization rate greater than 50? Okay. 2 row of all of this, and then rep rows 2, let W take W1 divided by drop W1, and this is then F for FICO, and then rows filter FF larger 0.5, and you get to 24. Okay, bonus 2 before bonus 1. If one borrower had all the games balance. No. Okay. Equals sum. Divided by sum, right? And then times 100 and rounded. I hope this is right. No idea. What's the median FICO score in level 5? I have no idea if the 0, so this blank would also count, but let's play safe. Yeah, okay, it's a whole number. Level 6. What is the total number of FICO points lost to previous credit inquiries? Some. Also to previous. Okay, previous inquiry is basically XLOOKUP for this, and then use those reductions here and use sum here, combine bonus for I think excluding example, yes. In level 7, how much can a borrower with FICO score 700 or higher afford versus with lower FICO scores? Okay, is it level related? I'm not understanding it 100%. So should I? Okay. Is it? So I should sum answers. Okay. Sum filter of those if those are larger or equal than 700 minus some filter if this is smaller than 700 and this is 153,000. I hope it's without the example, but normally it's without example. So let's hope. Anyways, save and upload. Not that easy. I hope the Varsity will be better. Oh, 94. Yay! Again, a bonus question or something. I assume maybe the last one was with the example, but anyways, hopefully the Varsity will be better. Be right back soon.